up, YouTube? Yo gang, welcome back to the channel. It's early morning. We're at the gun range and we're gonna get that gunpowder smoking. So today we're gonna talk about that Kel-Tec KSG. Now, we've talked about it before. This is 1,000 rounds later. It took a long time to put these shells through 1,000 shells through this thing, but I enjoy this bullpup shotgun so much, and I thought I should bring it back and share it with you. Now, if you're not familiar with it, it has a double cylinder and one barrel. So you have the option to load 7 shells on one and 7 shells in the other. So it gives you a capacity of 14 if you're shooting 2 3/4 shells. You also can shoot 3-inch out of here, but you would only get 6 and 6 if you do that. But we don't have no 3-inch shells. We do have quite a bit of ammunition here. We have KO ammo, which is 1600 feet per second, 1650 feet per second. We have dynamic defense, which is Yoki. This is 1250, and we have, I am not sure, B&P, and this is 1160. So this is a pump shotgun, so it will relatively pretty much shoot anything, and that's what I like about it, because the semi-autos, in my opinion, struggle with the lower velocity shells, and this one does not. We have her equipped with the EOTech, and I think it looks pretty cool, pretty futuristic-ish. You have your pick rail on the top for you to add whatever it is that you want. It also comes with a sling. I did not include the sling on it. I just don't see the purpose of it. But it's very comfortable, and it's quite short, and I enjoy it. So today we are going to top that off with what it is that we have out here today, and show you a little bit about it, if you didn't check out that full review. And if you haven't, to get the full details on this, make sure you go back and check that out. So here it is, and y'all already know the drill. We need to suit them up so we can what? Send them down range. All right, so this Kel-Tec is going to give you 26-inch overall length. Now, how you will not shoot, but load this here, you are going to put your, let me explain this to you first. This selector switch right here is what determines what tube you're actually shooting out of. So you're gonna just, clear the tube that you're gonna load, and it's not the most practical loading, but it works. Get these out. We're gonna go in first with, I think these are 1160 feet per second. So my selector tube is on my right tube, so I can load my left tube. So you're gonna just load those in. You have to be careful. You will get your finger caught up in there. If you're wearing gloves or anything, it definitely will get caught up. So just be careful. You will get 7 on each side of 2 3/4, and you will get 6 of 3-inch shells if they're larger. See, it's kind of, the capacity on it is awesome, and that's what I enjoy the most. And I feel like we are full. Okay, she is safe. Oh, your safety selector switch is right here on this area right here. So this is how you would engage that. Let me put my gloves on so I don't scratch up my hands. Got my gloves. These are my Glove Station. These are their airsoft gloves. I enjoy these a lot because my fingers are exposed. Great. Very nice shoot, as I was saying. And good old pump. And I love that. First shot. Not first shot, but first shot for the morning. Okay, so first tube is empty. You're gonna reach under, switch over your sides. Just like that. Excellent. 14 shells are compacted in this beast. All right, let's put her on safe. Let's reload. Okay, and again, down here on the bottom, you can see the safety selector switch is now again on the right side. Okay, what we got left, we got 5 and 6 in one. Very nice shoot. Oh! You like that? Man, I can't tell you. Kel-Tec, they do not have the nicest looking firearms. They don't. They are a little weird. I don't know if they were going for like futuristic space trooper type look, but they run. They run. Okay, so now we have 1250. These are 2 3/4 still. Yoki Home Defense. We have 25 of these. Yeah, loading it in my rump. Let's hold it down like this and see if that helps. Yeah, that's better. Do what works for you. Whatever's going to make your range day more pleasant. One more, I lost count. No, that's 7. All right. Shotguns. How do you feel about shotguns? Is that one of your go-tos? All right. And you have to make sure your safety switch is fully engaged. If not, it will not shoot. So great. And you have to, ooh. There you go. Wow, they're getting better and better. She's clear and safe. I have to run some drills with this. Although I had reached my 1,000 round mark a while ago, it's been a while since I've actually shot her, but still performing just as good. No issues, as you can see. All right, so Kel-Tec's holding on very well. It's a little shaky, not because of the shooting. It's more of the rail. It's almost like it needed some type of assistance underneath it, or a plate or something to keep it a little firm or a little tight, but that's all right. Fire yoke. Definitely got to put that into it. And although these are my favorite pair, should have had both of my fingers covered, because as you can see, my index finger is rubbing against the rail and it's making it a little sore. But she's clear. We got some slugs. I'm excited about these slugs. We only have 15 of them. I wish we had a little bit more, because I know this is going to be a hell of a punch. These are, like I was saying, 1650 feet per second. Look at these animals. Look at these beasts. KO. Knockout. Oh, and it has a loaded indicator on here. Well, not really indicating that it's loaded, but you can look inside the tube and see that you have full tubes on both sides. Just notice that. Let's see. First time shooting this. Woo! Whoa! Wow, I told y'all it'll run anything. All right, she's clear and she's safe. Wow, what a rush. We ain't got but 5 left. Let's put 2 and 3. It will shoot if you only fill 1 tube, so whatever, if you want to alternate the 2, you can. If you just want to fill 1, it'll shoot either way, left or right. Come on, Kel-Tec. That was my 3. Wow. And safe. Now, I remember, this just brought me back. I remember exactly why I enjoyed going through those 1,000 rounds for you guys. Because I enjoy this KSG so much. Excellent shoot. no issues, ran flawlessly, runs anything, and it's weird looking. Heat absorption is, I mean, it's there. That was 20, that was 65 shells we just ran. And I mean, I'm sure if you touch the tube, no, look, the tubes are cool to touch, obviously, because that's just holding the slugs. But your tube is still, it's hot, but it's not overwhelmingly hot. Your rail gives you that extra tactical look on, you know, you have it at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. The practicality of it is there. It's simple. The one thing that because it is in a bullpup configuration, your shells are loaded from the back, and they also eject from the back. And it's where it's at. That I really have to say that I enjoy this Kel-Tec KSG so much. Do you have one? If you do, let me know. Drop it into the comments. This was just to show you 1,000 rounds later. I know people have a lot to say about cleaning your firearms after every range day. I wanted to push it to the limit. I wanted to see how much and how far I can get out of it without that first clean. And she deserves a good cleaning now. That's well over 1,000 rounds, and we're gonna pretty much give her that spa day that she deserves. My Kel-Tec KSG is definitely one of those bedside behind the door options, and I love it. Love it. Perfect size to get around those corners. You know how y'all know y'all be playing in y'all mind scenarios and how I'm gonna get around this corner and how I'm gonna duck in this whatever, boom boom boom. Tell me I don't, because if you don't, you're lying. You're lying, because I do it in my mind all the time. What would be the best? What would be my go-to? Where would I put this if I need it? If something fails me, you know, you have to. Well, you don't have to, but I'm just telling you what I do, or what things that I go through in my little brain when it be going off about, you know, things that new firearms that I bring in to my my safe zone, and how I pick them, and what tests do I put them through before I say, okay, this is the one, or, you know, just everything like that. I hope everybody does that too, and doesn't say, well, let me take that back. I understand that I have one, or you have one, or they may just have one, and that one just gonna have to do. Completely understand. But if you have options are always better than one, in my opinion. And 12 gauge is also an excellent form of home defense, in my opinion. And I pretty much felt like, because I shouldn't say I don't hear the best about Kel-Tec, but I don't think I have encountered too many bad reviews or negative things about them, or I should say like 50-50. And I just wanted to have my own opinion on it. That's why we ran those 1,000 rounds dirty, brought it back out, ran an additional, what was that, 65 rounds, and she's still running. She's still running, and definitely has earned that position behind the door, y'all. Do y'all have one? Let me know. Drop it in the comments. If you're interested, or if you like it, or if it's something that it would be that you would add to yours, let me know, because y'all know I love all these different journeys that you guys are going through or trying to start. I want to be a part of it, because hey, I enjoy it. I enjoy it for y'all, and I'm very proud for everybody who's entering into that realm. Well, yo gang, y'all already know I love y'all for life, and I love it when things work. Peace.